Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T, and before we get started with the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. So with that being said, before I get started with the video, shout out to the queen that commented under my last video letting me know that the price of Ethereum went up. Thank you, queen. I actually figured that out later on in the day, but basically I normally do these videos like 2, 3 in the morning because I still work a full-time job and I get off of work really late. So like by that time, my brain is kind of just like, you know, ready to go to bed. So I was just confused. I'm like, what's going on? This doesn't look like overflow. But thank you so much, queen. Shout out to you. So with that being said, we're going to dive into the computer so that way I can do my Forsage update for my journey. So let's go. All right, guys. So we are in my back office on Forsage, and basically the only thing that's different is that like I just earned like $2, and that's because the price of Ethereum is going up. So yesterday I was at 87, today I'm at 89. But what I am gonna do today, I'm gonna go and just reinvest and go buy me another slot, and I'm gonna go ahead and buy the 4th slot in X3. And sometimes this take a little while. All right, guys, so it finally uploaded. Like, it took about 5 minutes, and I'm just gonna just cut it out and just edit the video because I was literally sitting here like, are you serious? What's going on here? Like, it took forever. I was sitting here like, oh my God, what's going on? Hurry, 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 so I can finish my video. But yeah, so now I got 4 slots in X3 and 4 slots in X4. I had to add a couple of dollars to it because I was like $2 short. So I had to just purchase a little bit of Ethereum to add it there. So now I have 4 and 4. So my goals are gonna be to have 5 and 5. Probably by like real soon. Real soon. And I'm gonna do one more change to my little back office here because why not? I'm feeling like just real goofy tonight. So, boom. Yay! See? Now it's black. Haha. All right, let me stop playing around with y'all. All right, I'm about to get out of this back office. But yeah, so $2 today, bought another slot, and I changed my background. All right, guys, so we're out of the computer. That's my update for today. If you guys are interested, want to learn more information, go below the video, hit the link in the description, ginger.forevereth.com. If you're not interested, cool, don't matter to me. It doesn't matter if you join, you don't join. Like I said, I'm not here to recruit people. I'm actually here to record my journey. And with that being said, I hope everyone has a great day, great night, great morning. Whenever you're watching this video, I hope that you're just feeling great. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.